Alright, home cooks, ready to bring a little Greek sunshine into your kitchen? Today I'm showing you how to make authentic chicken souvlaki in just 5 easy steps. Trust me, this is way easier than you think and the flavors, unbelievable. Step 1. Let's get that chicken marinating. Grab some boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Toss them in a bowl with olive oil, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, oregano, salt and pepper. Mix it all up, cover and let that marinate for at least 30 minutes, or overnight if you want max flavor. Step 2. Skewer them up. Thread those juicy pieces onto wooden or metal skewers. Don't crowd them, let each piece have a bit of space. I often separate the chicken pieces with a whole mushroom, a chunk of onion or pepper. Red or green pepper both work well. You can also grill the vegetables separately on their own skewers. Step 3. Fire up your grill or grill pan. You want it nice and hot so you get those gorgeous sear marks. Lay your skewers down and cook them for about 10-12 minutes, turning occasionally until the chicken is golden and cooked through. Step 4. Let's make it a feast. Serve your chicken souvlaki with warm pita, a big dollop of tzatziki, and maybe some fresh tomato and onion slices. Step 5. Eat and enjoy. That's it. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, packed with flavor. Perfect for a weeknight dinner or your next backyard get-together. Give this a try and let me know how it turns out. I promise, your taste buds will thank you.